Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Squad and it is 9 a.m. which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with this session is going to be under 5 minutes and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So make sure to subscribe to our channel if you still haven't and do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes you all get updated. With that being said, let's come to the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss is induct. Induct means to introduce someone formally or to with a special ceremony to an organization or group or to beliefs or idea. Here, make sure to analyze this word formally. So, when formally you join any company, okay, or you join any college, that time you get inducted into it. Coming to the sentence says the club will induct 6 new members this year. So they are gonna have 6 new members joining the club. The synonyms are admit, instate and enlist. The next word is aspire. Aspire is a very good word. It means to have a strong desire to have or to do something. Like we say, I aspire to be an officer one day. So you aspire to become an officer. Or as the image depicts, the kid wants to aspire to become a doctor, okay, or to join the medical field. So the kid has an aspiration to become a doctor. The sentence says it is always good to have goals and aspire to reach them. So you have the desire as well as you're working towards them to reach. Okay, the synonyms are crave, pursue and yearn. Here, this last one is important for you guys. So make sure to write it or note it down. Special. Next word that we have is calibrate. Calibrate means to standardize something such as a measuring instrument by determining the deviation from a standard so as to ascertain the proper correction factor. Okay, so when you calibrate an instrument, image, let's look at the image. You might have seen this image in your labs especially. Okay, this is a vernier caliper and a screw gauge. So these you might have seen in your school years. That time, if you're calibrating an instrument or you're determining if it is deviated or not, if it's standard or not, so you check it. So you're calibrating that particular instrument that time. The sentence says the clock were calibrated taking observation of the sun and of a star. So they were calibrated accordingly. So they were standardized. The synonyms are compute, gauge and scale. The next word is deliberate. Deliberate means done on purpose or it is planned. So if you deliberately do an action. The image is very good here. It says deliberate practice will help you achieve the goal. Okay. The sentence is, was it an accident or was it deliberate? So was it an accident or did you purposely do it? Okay. The synonyms are conscious, calculated and willful. Next word is foster. Foster means to help or encourage the development of something, especially feelings or ideas. When you help foster good ideas into that person, that means you are giving them that good light or guidance so that they could foster good ideas. The example says the teacher's task is to foster learning. So a teacher's task is basically to inculcate in any student that activity of learning and that desire to learn. Okay. The synonyms are promote, simulate and foment. Here this last word, foment, is important, okay? Because it's different and it's tough if you get it in your question paper. Next word that we're going to discuss is discrepancy. Discrepancy means difference between the two things that should be the same. So basically these two things should be alike but they are not. Okay, they are a little bit different. Example is there is a striking discrepancy between the two reports. The reports had to be same but there is differences. So there is some issue there. The synonyms are disparity, discordance and deviation. Here the middle synonym is important. Next the word we have fathom. Fathom means to understand it thoroughly. When you are trying to understand something very thoroughly, very carefully. The image here depicts the same thing. The doctor is trying to fathom what happened to this kid's thumb. The sentence says he couldn't fathom why she was being so anxious. So he couldn't understand why she was being so anxious. Here we are using the word anxious. In comments, you're going to tell me what does this word anxious mean. The synonyms are grasp, dive in, and lump. Here, all the synonyms are important. Next, we have the word for the day, that is enact. And you're going to tell me the meaning of this word and also its synonyms in the comment section. So definitely answer them. Lastly, if you watched our session this far, and make sure to like this session, share this session with all your friends who you want to learn vocab with, and in the comments answer all the questions that we asked you during this session, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that being said, I'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.